Best diet tips to lose belly fat. We all want to lose belly fat for our overall body weight, and some of us want to lose weight faster as soon as we started any diet program. Unfortunately, that is not always easy, and consequently, many get discouraged. In today's video, I will show you 5 things to do to lose weight or your belly fat steadily and as fast as possible. To get rid of the fat around your belly, the only thing you need to do is consume fewer calories than you burn. While doing that will ensure fat loss at a slow and steady pace, there are additional things you can do to speed up the process and make sure that you lose your belly fat for good. Top tips for a flatter belly. 1. Eat plenty of protein. Several studies have already proven the correlation of protein intake to belly fat. Among the most compelling research that has been done on the subject was the study published by Nutrition and Metabolism in 2012. In that study, researchers were able to present irrefutable evidence that increasing your intake of protein leads to a reduction in central abdominal fat, or fat around the belly. 2. Increase your fiber intake. Tons of research has linked dietary fiber to healthy weight maintenance. In the study review published by Nutrition Reviews in 2001, researchers showed that increasing your intake of fiber helps you feel full faster and for more extended periods. That means you eat less of other foods, which leads to weight loss. Some of the best fiber you can take is from soluble sources like oats, apples, and beans. 3. Avoid trans fats. Trans fats are not only heavily laden with calories, but they are also incredibly unhealthy. Apart from compromising your overall health, an animal study shows that it could be partly to blame for abdominal obesity. In that study, which was published by Obesity in 2007, researchers showed that you could gain fat around your belly if you consume trans fats, even if you restrict your calorie consumption. So avoiding fast foods, packaged snacks, and fried meals will help you lose your belly fat. 4. Drink plenty of water. Water is necessary for all processes in the human body, but it also plays a considerable role in abdominal fat reduction. That is because it is incredibly useful in appetite reduction. A study published by the Journal of Natural Science, Biology, and Medicine in 2014 observed the effects of taking 500 milliliters of water approximately 30 minutes before each meal. The researchers found that doing so for at least 8 weeks can lead to lower body weight, improved BMI, better appetite scores, and reduced body fat. 5. Exercise. Exercising daily will not just help you burn more calories, but also build up muscle that you need to lose fat. Although abdominal and core exercises are excellent for targeting belly fat, make sure you also get moderate to intensive cardiovascular exercises regularly. Following these tips and making these lifestyle changes will allow you to burn fat at a faster rate than calorie control alone. They are also meant to improve your overall health. So in the end, you will not just have a flatter belly, but also a leaner, healthier body. Here are study references we used to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.